Hello folks, we're going to show you how to look for Creative Commons licensing when doing a Google search. So you open up to Google and you see where you usually type in what you're searching for, okay? But you're actually going to, before you type anything in that, you're going to either look for the circle gear or settings. So down here, settings, and you'll click on advanced search, whoop, right there. And then it has this full list of things that I know some of you are not going to want to type through. But let's say find pages with the name Tom Dooley. That's the name of the song we're going to look up. Maybe I put song. And it's going to look for anything on pages with Tom Dooley's song. And then you come down and let's say you just don't care about what language it is in or where it comes from or the newest and latest website. You don't care about that, so you can leave all that. And all these things you could leave. But here, where you say save search, yeah, usage rights, you could put here free to use and share, even commercially, or free to use, share, or modify, or free to use and share. So we can select any of those, but we're going to select free to use or share. And then you click on your advanced search, and here it comes up with Creative Commons websites about Tom Dooley. So that is how you can look for Creative Commons licensing sites that will help you with your search for your folk tune project. Thank you.